Have you ever tried to blend your own hair together with your wig and it just doesn't look right? Something's off. What can you do to make it work? I'm Chaya G, wig wearer. Yes, it's a wig. I'm a wig expert and I'm here to share with you my wig tips and tricks. And today we're going to be talking about blending your own hair together with your wig. I'm going to tell you the biggest secret of them all. Less is more when it comes to blending your hair with your wig. You would think if you want to blend your hair with your wig, the more of your own hair that you show and the less you need to rely on your wig, then the more natural it's going to be, but this just is not the case. Let me show you how I do it and you'll see for yourself. The most popular wig to try to blend your own hair with is a Bandfall type wig, where it's basically worn 3/4 of the way to the front of your hairline, as opposed to a full wig that's worn more from the front all the way down to the back. So I'm wearing a hair net just to keep my hair covered, since I cover it for religious reasons, but I wanted to show you really how much hair I'm actually taking out. If you'll see here, it's literally so little hair. You don't need that much. And then when I'm going to pop on the wig, you'll see how nice it blends. So I usually start by keeping the amount of hair out that I want, and whether or not you put on a wig grip, which go ahead and check out my videos on wig grips and see which one I love the best. And you could put that behind the hair that you're taking out. And then you're going to slip on your wig. Now, once your wig is on and straight, then you still have the hair that you left out. You can go ahead and grab a comb. I've linked in the description below. And what I do is I just leave out the sections of my hair that are around the perimeter, just to help the blending in that section as well. And you can even go ahead and give it a good tease, which more of that, check out my video on how to tease your wig expertly and quickly. And here you are, ready to go. You saw I had barely any hair out. It blends nicely, and less is more when it comes to blending your hair with your wig. Leave me a comment, let me know, do you blend your own hair with your wig? Have you struggled with it? Did this video help you do it better? I'd love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you'll catch all the latest videos, and stay tuned for more All Wig Everything with Chaya G. Have you ever tried to blend your own... Start again. So I'm with... No, I was looking in the wrong place. And everything wig... No. What am I saying? What am I saying? What am I saying?